Alright, so they've been flipping this breaker here. It keeps tripping. You guys that ain't from Florida, let me explain something to you. These little piles of dirt, oh my, them are fire ants, and they will light you up. I threw this down to kneel down there. You can see they just looking to tear up whatever just hit their stuff. Lordy, you don't want to go near them. They leave welts on you, and try to stay away from them. Breaker tripping, keeps resetting. Found the culprit. You guys see it? You guys see it? Here's the culprit. Let's see what happens. Yeah, I know you guys are probably getting sick of seeing this Klein 32307 27-1 tamper proof. There's a burnt wire. Here's the Klein saying, I can take you out and I will fix this unit. Not all your screwdrivers can do everything this Klein can do. Alright, so I just put a new contactor and wire in. I'll take that in and show it to them before I toss it in the can. But look at that. Look at that capacitor, guys. I mean, it's aged. You know, no callbacks. Look around. I see a couple dangles of wires there. You know, I'm gonna check and see where did it go. More than likely it was replaced something. There's a lot of wires that are jumped out in here. That's not my biggest issue right now. We're going to replace that bad boy. Discharge, baby. I only got a shorty, but get it done. If you look close, you can see a lizard got yapped. Yap. Even more reason, you know, that could be what's causing some of this electrical issues. Boarding part of an HVAC guy. Yes, sir. Close them doors. That AC's working, baby. I keep truck stock intact. The parts I use. Oof! The door just smacked me. I throw it right here on my floorboard, passenger side, and you know, come Wednesday, I'll go ahead and place an order of all my truck stock that has been depleted. Ship it right to the shop from the good old John Stone, and when I go in for my Monday meeting, I pick my parts up and fill my truck back up. Here's what it is. Tesco's hooked up. Could use a cleaning possibly. So we're gonna go look for some water around this mug. See if they got a water spigot. AC back there. If they got one close by, we'll give her a wash down. Got some water, folks, so this will help cool off the flow and help get that store down to temp quicker too. Get this coil cool, reduce some of that heat load. Pressure kind of sucks, that's why I like these hoses. Knock it down and get a good squirt off of it. By the time you do all this stuff, that 85 degree source should be down to somewhat of a good temp. And get up out of here. You know the routine. A little wet. You don't need to wash this whole thing. We're just finishing up. I washed all the dang ants away too. My battery's dying. Killing me. Killing me. Red flash, I need battery. Go. Now the coil's still a little wet. It was showing 280. So that's going to help cool it down, let it breathe. Last step, I got 1, 2, 3, maybe 4 drains on the back of the building. I mean, you can see just, yeah, suck them up. And that'll give me time to let the building cool down. So I cleaned the drains, coil's dry now, so we're running much better pressures. We got an ambient of 84, 85 degrees. Yeah, she kicking. We in Florida, baby. So I'm happy with this. By now the temp should have dropped a little bit inside. I'm gonna clean up, secure the cover, put my tools away. I got fan's a little bit of a mess from the week, so I'm going to straighten it up while I'm on the clock. Give this unit time to get the store down and go in and sign out. 75. Just to show y'all, here's the air handler. That pumps everything through the whole store. No pan under it or nothing, boy. That's how you know they're old. I think that outside said 2009. I call the EMS service that controls the stats, and I have them lower the set point to 70 degrees. It resets every Sunday, so this way at least I can give these girls, you know, another day of fresh air. 70 degrees in the store. They appreciate that kind of stuff.